Okay, what we've done is we've done a quick cleanup of our area. Just remember, cleanliness is next to godliness, guys. You don't want to get shit in your bearings, the dirt and everything. Clean up everything as you go, especially when you put the new bearings on. Okay, now what we've done is we've loosened this, but we want to compress this cylinder in a little bit. We're going to do a light tap. Don't hit here, because if you break that end cap, you're hooped. Okay, awesome. Good. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this one on first because I want to show you guys. These are bearings. Inside, coat your oil around the inside of that bearing, okay? Grab a new seal. Now you'll see it's got a bit of a V on the top here. This goes facing upwards, and then it's got the downward groove. So the idea is it's going to fit in there. It's going to fit snug in there like that. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Lubricate it. Down just a hair. Fill the channel, a little V groove up with oil. Here's where your big socket comes in. It fits perfectly on the seal and it doesn't damage. You'll know when it stops because it's going to hit the grooves at the bottom. Just tap it lightly. Check periodically. And if you want to add more oil, go ahead. Take a little tough to get on. Okay. They weren't usually that hard, but we'll see. Okay, we got to pull this off. It's good that we're getting troubles because this way you can see what I'm doing. was smoother that time. It must have been a little crooked, or maybe I didn't use the 3M cloth around the edges here enough, and got some grime, and it's a good thing I stopped, pulled it off, and then redid it. That's the most important thing. Okay. Everything looks good so far. It stopped. It's not going anywhere. What we'll do is we'll put this one on so you can see all the other wheels are the same. So I'm going to throw grease here, or oil, sorry. Clean this up again. Grab a seal. Throw our oil. On that, just that easy. Let's see. And when you put your bolts on, just go down hand tight. They're supposed to be 22 pounds. I don't have my torque wrench with me here, but we will definitely torque them down properly. That's about it, guys. You do the same thing for all the other ones. Just remember, work slow, take it easy. If you find they're not going on easy, then you know you have an issue with the bearings being lined up. Just make sure you clean as you go and get that crap out of there so your bearings don't get messed up. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and just continue.